Good morning.
Every time he speaks, it's just insane to hear him.
Oh, yes. Birds don't rock.
What do they do?
Gizmo, he is 100% a stand-up comedian.
They poo?
Oh, wow. That's a fart.
A fart? That was a cough, Giz, not a fart.
There's not been a single day that he hasn't said something new.
Are you the police?
Sing a song. That's love, Pops.
Oh, let the birds out.
His timing on his little jokes that he does is impeccable.
But when we rescued Gizmo,
I was gonna cry.
he was completely broken. Gizmo, he was caged for a majority of his 16 years. He came from an older couple, and unfortunately, the birds that didn't get bonded with them were just left in their cages.
At the rescue center, they said that he wasn't a right fit for our family.
He's aggressive, he's not good for children, but I just felt we were meant to be together. So we took the challenge on. I would just put a little stool next to his cage and I would just talk to him.
You're doing great, bird.
At first, he just would say random words.
Oh.
And then after 2 weeks, he made such fast progress.
You're so close. I am so proud of you.
He just flourished ever since being at our house.
I'm actually happy.
We're best friends now. He just thrives off attention. And then he comes over and he's like,
What you doing?
What's new?
he has the best ways of expressions. So if he's not in a great mood, he'll show us and he uses the right context.
Bobby's man. Oh.
What does Mum do?
I'm like, Gizmo, you're gonna get me cancelled.
You're funny.
I will.
A lot of people call him, oh, Gizmo's my new grandpa, because he also has a little bit of a grumpy side to him.
Turn
No,
around.
no.
Can you turn around?
I'm in love.
But he's loving, sweet.
That was cute. You said you're in love.
Everywhere. Oh,
I know this sounds very cheesy, but he was our destiny. He was meant to be in our family. It just warms my heart when I hear him say stuff.
Torch over. Oh, lovely bird.
Yes, she does.